Hi, kiddos. Welcome. Today we are going to identify the letter S makes the sound S. Can you see the letter? Letter S makes the sound S. Let's say it loud. S. Louder. S. Now let's see some things that begins with a sound. What's that thing? Sun. Sun. As in sun. Another one. Socks. 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 And another one. Snake. Snake. Another one. Sword. Sword. Don't be sad. Another one. Scarf. Scarf. Can you look around you for more things that begins with S? Did you find one? Well done. Now let's talk about what sound does this make. What sound does this make? S. Louder. S. Good job. That's the letter. Excuse me, that's the letter S makes the sound S. Now, how do we write the sound? We make a curve in and another curve out. Okay, that's the capital letter. Another one, a curve in and another one out. S. Well done. Well done. You did that so well. Okay, let's go on. Now, can you see the sound S on the screen? Find it. Oh, here, that's it. The letter S makes the sound S. Beautiful. Okay, now let's go on to the next. Let's find the letter S makes the sound S. Find it. Right there. Good job. S. Well done. Okay, let's find another one. Another one. S. Can you find it? Yes, fantastic. You did that so well. Keep it up. Okay, that is S. Again. S. Now let's find the small letter. Find it, touch it. S. Fantastic. You did that so well. Again. S. Let's move on to another one, and another one, and another one. S. Where is it? Good job. S. That was good. Well done. Okay, now let's find another one. Another one. We are looking for one with a sound S. Okay, now can you spot the letter S makes the sound S? Can you find it? Okay, I see one, and another one, and another one, and another one. How many did we find? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, 4 whooping S. Okay, now let's go on to see more sounds. Okay, let's find the capital letter. All right, 1, find it. Yes, another one, and another one, and another one. Amazing. Okay. All right. So let's go on. Let's go on. Good. So now we want to look at the pictures that begins with S. Let's find out. So here we have a snake, we have a cat, and there's a girl. So which of these begins with S? Yes, you got us so well. S as in snake. Amazing. Keep it up. Okay, let's go on to the next one. We have zebra, octopus, sun. And which one begins with sun? Yay, 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 yay. Well done. Okay, and let's move on to more. Iguana. Socks. What's that? Is that a squirrel? Maybe. Okay, let's find out. Socks. Well done. Well done to you. Keep that up because you have done that so well. Okay, now that you know your letter sound, can you say things do you know that begins with a sound? And don't forget to practice writing your sounds over again. A cough in and another one out. Can you see that? Okay, so mention more things that begins with the sounds. Tell mommy, tell daddy, tell your friends. Thank you for watching. Please click on the next video to learn more letter sounds.